Hi everyone, welcome back to another pin video. I was supposed to have a video up before this video, and sadly enough my microphone didn't capture my voice because the microphone I used previously has worked and you guys could hear me. So for that video, what I'm gonna do is at the end of this video, I will do like a little slideshow of the pens that I got from that set, which is the Pinocchio clocks. And yeah. So sadly, I'm not gonna upload that video, unfortunately. So I'll just show you like parts of the video where you guys can just see what I got. So anyways, before I get started, subscribe as always. Click the notification bell to get notified when I post, and give this video a thumbs up like always, and then comment down below something, I don't know, something about yourself that is unique. Alright, so today I have some pens, and I have something else that is not pen related, so I'll get that out of the way first. So you guys know, or maybe you guys don't know, I like psychic stuff, you know, like tarot cards and all that kind of stuff, and like the crystals, gemstones, whatnot. So I found this at a crystal store that I like going to at one of my local malls where I live, and this is like the ask yes will not answer maybe question kind of thing. So like you use a pendant necklace and then you ask, oh, am I gonna get a job at so and so, and then like the crystal or pendant, whatever you have, like it will move on its own. So I got that. And I hate my cough. So the first store I went to, it's a antique store, so it used to be closer to one of the malls I go to a lot, and they just moved closer to me recently, a couple weeks ago, I believe, and it's a little bit bigger from what I've been told. So the 3 pens that I got from there were the soda can Goofy one, because I do like Goofy, so I got that one. And then I seen a pen that had the year that I was born, 1988. You can figure out how old I am. So, and I really like it. And it says the magical world of Disney, and it has like a little TV, so I'm guessing that's when they started doing the movies, I guess. I don't know. And then this is a newer pen, and you could get these on Shop Disney if it's still up there, and it's Beauty and the Beast. And this is my guy. So they had quite a few of like these kind of pens from that set, so it was hard to choose what one I wanted, because at that place I could spend a fortune, and I will be broke in one day. In one day I will be broke if I were to buy all the pens. So yeah. So now this store, Hot Topic, there's my mask. Alright, so I think I have 2 of the Disney Princess cupcakes, and I really want Belle because she's my favorite princess, so I want her from that set. And then I have two of the hats, and I really want Goofy, as you can tell. This one is the donuts, so let me see. Yep, I have 2 of the donuts. I would really like Dory or both of the Toy Story characters. And then for the other characters, I don't care about, so as long as I get one of them or both, we'll see. And then they had a bunch of the Bambi ones. So these ones were the retro Bambi characters. And then they only had 1 box of the princess set, which is this one. And I want Belle. And then my second favorite would be Ariel, but they don't have Jasmine in this set. So, yeah. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pens to open. So that's a lot. So first I'm gonna get something to drink for my cough, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I got my water. I have a dog with me. Her name is Zoie Marie. She's very nosy, so if you hear her bark like this, row row, she has issues. Let's jump right into our video. So I think I will start with the princess set. Alright. Look. Did you just drool? She drooled. What are you doing? Okay. Let's see what we got. And from what I know, these pins are real big, huh, Zoe? Yeah, the pins are real big. I love her. Do I love you? Yeah. You love Zoe. Oh, we have the Little Mermaid. Oh, nice. Right? Is it nice, Zoe? Yeah, it real nice. Oh, Zoe says it real nice. Alright, so next we're gonna open Bambi. You wanna open Bambi? Yeah, we're gonna open Bambi. From the Bambi set, I think I want Owl. You want Owl? Owl! I want Owl. Is that the same Owl from Winnie the Pooh and some of the other Disney franchise? I'm just curious. Because I'm pretty sure it is, but if I'm wrong, please correct me. Alright. Why is it so tough these days? Yo, Hot Topic, Box Lunch, are you trying making these bags hard to open for us? What's the deal with you? Yeah, what's the deal? What's the deal? You want to see it? Oh, we got flour. Whoa. Yeah, whoa, kitty. Now we're gonna open the princess. Yeah. You want to open? she wants me to open. Ow. I'm surprised this was the last box that they had. So I took it and I ran with it. Well, you know, I bought it, of course. I want Belle, but if I can't get Belle, I will shoot for Ariel or Snow White or Aurora, Sleeping Beauty. Alright. Anybody but Tiana. I need to do a story time on Tiana. Maybe what day? Please let it be Belle. Okay, let's see who this one is. I'm gonna see from the back. Looks like Belle. We got Belle. Zoie, we got Belle. We got Belle. Yeah, we got Belle. Oh, today's a Beauty and the Beast day. Oh, look at me. Alright. So, should we open the donuts? Do you like donuts? Zoie likes donuts. Okay. So, like I said, I want Dory or the Toy Story characters. Either way, I will be happy. Who do you want? Oh, you just want the donut, huh? But you can't have the plastic, baby. It will make Zoe Marie sick. One of the ones I don't want. Rats. Oh, speaking of rats. Ratatouille. Are you a rat? Is Zoe a rat? Did I call you a rat? Yeah, you called Zoe Marine a rat. Oh, I'm sorry. Now we have the hats. Alright. Should we get Goofy, Pluto, Donald Duck, Daisy, Dale, or Pooh? Give me all 25. There's no 25 in here. I'm sorry. Ew. I really want Goofy. If I can't get Goofy, then Pluto. Why do you have to stand on me? Are you so cute? Oh, okay. It's not Goofy, but we got Pluto. Oh, yellow and yellow. Cool. Do you need out? Yeah, me out. Give me 1 second. Okay, we're back. So, we did those sets, and now we have to do, not that set, this set, not you, we're done with you, this one, and I believe this one. If I missed a box, I will show at the end of the video, like with the other video that was supposed to be up before this one. So let's go with I'm gonna go with the hats. So I want Goofy, but likely we might get a double, but that's okay, because I always go order these off of the websites. Okay, seems big once again, because they've been big lately. The box lunch and Hot Topic pants. So, okay, now they don't want to open. Hey, I was right. I got the two I wanted. Awesome. Goofy. Yay. So that's really cool. Next I will do the donuts. And I will do my princess last. Hopefully I get them. So the donuts, let's hope that I get somebody that I want. Ow. Okay, let's see. Ow. Quit hurting me, donuts. Hey, I think this is one of the ones I wanted. Yeah. I got Dory. Okay. I don't have a lot of Finding Nemo slash Dory pens, so this will be up on that board. Or maybe once I collect the whole sets of the Loungefly pens, and then they'll go to their correct board in the end. Alright, so ow, quit hurting me. The boxes are hurting me. Give me 1 second. So if I can't get Belle, I would shoot for Mulan or Cinderella or Rapunzel. Anybody but Tiana. Let's see. Okay. Let me see if I can tell from the back. Oh, wait. That looks like Belle. Hey, I was right. My lucky day. Woo! Oh, that was a good throw. It landed. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this pen unboxing opening. And for the open pen edition that I found at one of my stores I need to go to. And I hope that you guys liked seeing this, even though it's not part of this channel, but it's part of my main channel, KMH Television. So yeah, this video is going to be super long, I can tell you that. Probably like 18 minutes. I was trying to make a shorter video, but sometimes it doesn't always work out like that. No, it doesn't. Nope. So like I said, I will post the other footage from the Pinocchio set that was supposed to be up before this. And enjoy. Let me know what pens you liked from this video, as well as the Pinocchio ones. So yeah, for me, if I had to choose, the Beauty and Beast pens. So like the window pins, like this one, I really like this one. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video when I have more money to spend.